Stainless steel cookware has been the backbone of restaurant kitchens for over a century, prized for its ease, precision, and performance. For 4 generations, our family has been selling professional-grade foundational tools to fine hotels and restaurants around the world. While there are many imitators, we have stayed unwavering in our commitment to the fundamental integrity needed to craft this reliable kitchen workhorse. We've worked tirelessly in designing and developing our perfect combination of metals, testing and tweaking alongside some of the world's best chefs and craftsmen, gaining their insights and earning their trust. The result? A lightweight, even heating pan that feels exactly how it should. No gimmicks, no unnecessary design. Just an open invitation to culinary excellence that can be trusted time after time and night after night. Today, our Stainless Clad collection continues to grow as we add new silhouettes and sizes, inspiring ingenuity and excellence in professional and home kitchens alike. Each tool still crafted with the same innovative cladding technology and proprietary ergonomic handles that we first introduced in our signature frying pan. Every pan carries with it a rich history and tradition that's as timeless as stainless clad itself, a connection to the past, inspiring us to push beyond what's possible and find what's delicious.